Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel. I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll teach you how to fix this account will be disabled in 30 days. Why this issue occurs when you try to post faster or you tag so many people in your post, you will face such issue. In this video we'll teach you how to fix this issue. So first of all you have to click on logout. Now you have to open google.com. After opening google.com, here you have to type, and then here you have to type report login issue, and then here you will see first Facebook link. You have to click on it. Now you have to click on these three dots which you can see at the top right side, and then you have to click on desktop site, and then you have to click on the link, edit the link and remove m dot, and click on go. Now Facebook will be in proper desktop mode. You have to zoom in. In contact email address you have to write down your email address which you have used in the account. In description you have to write down here this account will be disabled in 30 days. Scroll down and you have to take the screenshot of that issue also and click on choose file and attach the screenshot here. So here is the screenshot. We'll click on it and we'll attach the screenshot. Click on send tab. So here you can see form submitted successfully. You have to click on OK. Now again you have to open google.com. This time you have to type here preventing login issue. Here you will see the first link, security checks preventing login. You have to click on it. Again you have to click on the link, edit the link and remove m dot and click on go. So Facebook will open in proper desktop mode. Again zoom in. You have to repeat the same process. Again you have to write down your same email address. In description you have to write down same thing. Account will be disabled in 30 days. At end write down issue. Again select the same screenshot. So here is the screenshot. Now you have to zoom out. Click on send tab. So here you can see form submitted successfully. Now you have to wait for 48 hours. Within this time period Facebook team will sort out your issue. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.